Hello, my name is Jason. I'm talking on behalf of expertvillage.com. Now, after clean the engine and underneath the hood, you want to go to the battery cables, because sometimes when you do use degreaser on the engine, it does not remove all the dirt particles and the acid and the buildup on the cable. These are from long years of buildup. It's basically acid builds up. It's tough. So how you want to get rid of that? You need something with amino acid, or a type of acid you find in the Coke or Sprite or Dr. Pepper or something like that. It didn't work. I just simply get a can of Coca-Cola and I pour it on the battery cables. What that does, it breaks down all that build-up acid that's been building throughout the years. It breaks it down. It gets between the battery cable. It cleans it. Not only you have a better connection, and you also have a better electronic. What I mean by that, your headlights get stronger. Inside of your dashboard lights get stronger, because when you have a better connection, simply your car just runs better. And that's what you want to do to your battery cable. Pour some Coke on it and just simply spray it off with a rag and some water.